everybody, welcome to our channel. This is Wenlyn again and the cute Keisha. It's a half Dutch and half Serena. Guwapa ka siya, no? Oh my gosh! What you did to me, the lipstick. So, abangan ang among vlog ni Keisha. Keisha, see it?
Don't forget.
Hello, this is my friend Gretchen. Nagpagwapa siya. Unya, mura na rin siya og Cinderella. Cinderella nga naputlag ikig. Kabalo ba mo? Gwapa kayo na siya. Unya mo, magic ni. Ha? Abangan ang iyang pagrampa sa Rotterdam. Kaya maghubo na siya og mutambling. On our way to the wedding. So it's party time. We are going to attend the big day of my friend, one of our friends from Visayas. It's Awaray. It will held in Den Haag. So we are going now in Den Haag.
Bouwzeker. Het bouwgebouw. Spectaculaire ijskanten in de golf. Scheur over de dijk.
Na traffic ang mag-vlog kay naay accident dito. So murag malate gyud ang mag-vlog ani kay magsugod na gyud ang gikasan. Pero habol lang gihapon. Nag-melt na akong makeup. Traffic kaayo. Wala na, late na good. Traffic. Sayaw na lang po. Kung na lang isayawan si Eric para di mag-board. I love you, Eric. Hadlok siya kaya akong lips pula kaayo. I have to wear red lips. Parang ma-attract sa ako ang mga wak-wak. I have to wear red lipstick because it's dinner. Gabi, so mag-dark ta o lipstick. Kung adlaw, light lang ang atong lipstick. Wala yung mga tips na po, mga mamshils. Bahalag dili na ka mga artist sa mata. Lips lang. So finally, it's end the wedding. So it's gidan, and here we are going to the reception now. So there are the guests here. So eindelijk. This is the bride coming down. So wedding is finally done. Finally done. Guwapa kay si Gretchen. It's my friend Gretchen, a beautiful one. Hello guys, I'm here already in the reception. This is a Philippine restaurant. Here's the food. These are the guests. You can see it. These are the guests. We make party here. We'll eat party until 9 o'clock. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, see you next time. Bye!